Have you ever sent a WhatsApp message and wondered why the blue ticks never appeared? In most cases, the reason is that read receipts are turned off. Fortunately, turning them back on only takes a few seconds. To enable read receipts on WhatsApp, first open the WhatsApp app. Next, tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, tap Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Read Receipts option, then toggle the switch to the on position. Once enabled, WhatsApp will send and receive read confirmation for messages. There are a few important things to remember. If you want to see blue ticks when someone reads your messages, both you and the other person must have read receipts turned on. If either person disables this feature, read confirmations will not be shown in individual chats. Another important detail is that read receipts work differently in group conversations. In group chats, read information is always available, regardless of your personal privacy settings. You can view who has seen your message by opening the message information screen. Also, voice messages follow a separate rule. Even if read receipts are turned off, WhatsApp will still send play receipts when a voice message is listened to. This means the sender can know when their voice note has been played. By keeping read receipts enabled, you can easily tell when your messages have been read and avoid confusion during conversations. It's a simple setting that helps improve communication and keeps you informed about message activity on WhatsApp. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides.